Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add our border last page in Microsoft Publisher. So let's started. At first, open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show add art page border in last page. Now we can see then show the many page. Now select from last page. Now going to the home menu option, then click for text box. Now draw a text box in all page. Now going to the drawing tool in format option, then click for shape outline option, then click for width option, then again click for more lines option. Now we show the new interface, then select from border art, then again select new interface, then show many design art. Now we select from any art option. Now select, then click for OK. Now choose from widget option, then click OK. That it. Now you can see add border, just add border in last page in publisher document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.